Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make and sell print-on-demand coffee mugs on Etsy. The first thing you want to do is create an account on Etsy if you don't have one as yet. After creating your account on Etsy, which is completely free, you're going to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and from there, you're going to tap on Shop Manager. After tapping on Shop Manager, you're going to see this icon pop up right here, and you're going to simply tap on the icon. After you have selected the icon, you will be redirected to the shop preferences. From here, you will be able to select the language that you would like to use. You can also select the shop country, and you can select the shop currency. After doing that, you're going to tap on Save and Continue. Then from here, you can enter your shop name. After naming your shop, you're going to tap on Save and Continue in the bottom right hand corner. Now I'm going to be showing you how to create your print-on-demand coffee mug. For this, you'll need to open a new tab, and you're going to go onto Printful.com. Printful.com is one of the most highly rated print-on-demand platforms, as all you'll need to do is simply upload your design, and from there you can choose to add it to either a coffee mug or t-shirt or numerous different options. So all you'll need to do is go onto Printful. You're going to tap on Sign Up in the top right hand corner, and you're going to sign up using your email address. Once you're all signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you are going to tap on Stores. After selecting Stores, from here, all you'll need to do now is scroll down, and you are going to tap on Choose Platform. After selecting Choose Platform, you can see that there are numerous platforms that you can connect Printful to, but the platform that we'll be using is Etsy. So you're going to tap on Connect right below Etsy. After doing that, you're going to scroll down, and you're going to tap on Connect to Etsy. After selecting Connect to Etsy, you're going to be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do is tap on Continue in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you will see the option Connect to. You're going to tap on that. Then you can see that we are now connected, and you're going to tap on Add Product. After selecting Add Product, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Search Product in the top right hand corner, and we're going to simply type in coffee. So let's do that. You can type in coffee right here, or you could type in mugs. After doing that, you can see different options that you can choose from. You could tap on Show All Results. Then by tapping on Show All Results, you can see the different options that you can select. And I'm going to be selecting the best seller. So we'll simply tap on this option right here. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to upload your design. To upload a design, all you'll need to do is tap on Uploads from the left-hand menu option right here. And by the way, if you don't have a design as yet, a good platform that I would recommend to create a design on is Canva. For example, you could go onto Canva, and from here you could type in, for example, you could type in coffee mug. Let me do that real quick. After you have typed in coffee mugs, you can see right here different templates that you can quickly edit. So for example, you could select this one. And if you don't like any of these, you can search other options. For example, you could type in logo or so on. There are numerous other options that you can select from. Once you have found one that you like, you'll tap on Customize this template, and you can see how it looks right there. All you'll need to do now, you're going to simply tap on Share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Download, then select Download once more. After doing that, if you would like to view it, let me view it real quick. So you can tap right here and tap on Open, and you can see how it looks. So let us go back real quick. From here, we're going to simply go back into Printful. Once in Printful, you're going to tap on Uploads from the left-hand menu option. Then from here, you're going to tap on Upload New File. and you're going to select it. Then you're going to tap on open. After you have tapped on open, you're going to see that it has been added. You can see it right here. Once it has been added, as you can see there, you're going to tap on apply. After you have tapped on apply, from here you can see center of mug. So it is added to the center of the mug. After it has been added to the center of the mug, all you'll need to do now is tap on continue. Then you will see design for each product size need to be adjusted separately. So I'll tap on got it. So you're going to tap on center of the mug right there, and you're going to adjust it. After you have adjusted it, you can tap on the 15 O's, and from there you can also adjust it. And then you can tap on duplicate this design on both sides if you want, or you can tap on the 20 ounce right there, and you can also adjust it to your liking. Once you're finished adjusting it, you're going to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you will be redirected to the mockup page. So you have two options. You can either create custom mockups or basic mockups. I would recommend that you select basic mockups if you are just getting started, so you can use the free Printful mockups. So you can see right here, this would be our main image, and you can see the different images. If it is a case that you would like to change it to, for example, this mockup, you can do that, or you can select any one of the other options as you can see right there. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can edit the product title. You can also edit the product description by scrolling down. You could edit it right there. And if you would like to add any tags, you can do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue once more. From here, you will be able to adjust the price. So it all depends on the amount of profit that you would like to make. As you can see right here, increase retail price by, and you can set the profit margin right there. Or you can choose to set retail price to, you can decrease retail price by a percentage if you want, or so on. So it all depends. Then you're going to tap on submit to store. Once you have tapped on submit to store, you're going to give it a few seconds while the product is being uploaded. Once the product has been uploaded, you can go back into Etsy and you're going to see the product on your listing, and then I'll be showing you what to do next. So you can see right there that the product has now been added. Now that the product has been added, if we were to tap on edit in Etsy, it is going to open up a new tab, and we're going to tap on stock your shop, and you can see the product right here. So all I would need to do is select the product. You can see that the mockups have already been added, and you can also create a mockup video if you want by tapping on add video. You could create a quick mockup video using Canva. After doing that, you're going to simply scroll down, and you can see right there, if we were to select this, you can see it right there, and you can see the different images. So we're going to scroll down, and from here, if you would like to further edit the description, you can do that. And all you will need to do now is tap on save and continue. After tapping on save and continue, then you'll be redirected to the how you'll pay page, and you're going to tap on save and continue once more. And from here, you can quickly fill out this information, then tap on save and continue, and that's it. Once your listing is up and running, you can start making some money on Etsy. Thank you for watching.